Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got another radio from Jeff's collection. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios to show to you. This one is a Sony model TR-729. It's 7 transistor, about a 1963 vintage. And he bought it off of eBay for $80, and he says it works excellent. Comes in this nice case with a carrying strap and a little holder for your earbuds. And it's BC, which is AM, and shortwave. So let's take it out of the case and show it to you up close. I've got the batteries in. It uses 4 AA batteries. And it fits in the case really snug. There we go. There's a close-up of it. So you can see that it's 3.9 megahertz to 12 megahertz on the shortwave band. And then 540 to 1600 or above on the BC band. On this end, the first knob here is the tuning knob. This is the on-off volume. It's got a telescopic antenna, which is really, really recessed. See, it's recessed down in this hole. And it's quite small in diameter, but it's pretty darn long. It's I would say 30 inches. If I had my tape measure, I would measure it for you. I'm not going to worry about it. It's about 30 inches. On this side, we've got a headphone jack. And then back here, we have, if I can get the camera to focus, we have the BC to SW switch. This is the screw to get into the back. And we're going to turn it on and see how it does. So we'll turn the on-off volume. And we're getting some interference. So let's tune it. Yeah, we're getting interference from something. Probably my lights. Yeah. That's probably what it is. That's the BC band. Tuning is real smooth.
About 5 minutes before I get there.
There we go.
I roll up and they look at me like a deer in headlights. Learn how to drive your wrist. Candidate Kevin Hearn of Oklahoma.
Yeah, it's picking up a lot of stations. Yeah, unfortunately it picks up all the noise in my workshop.
Hey guys, in 2012, Dr.
Probably should have left my computer off. Okay, I'm going to stop for 1 second and turn the fan on. You won't believe it, but it's warm in my workshop. Let me turn the fan on low and get me a little spot of tea here. Had a little health problem this weekend that I'm recovering from, so it takes me a little while to get going again. So that's the BC band. Now we'll go to the back and switch to the shortwave band. I'll be surprised if we get anything, because it's, what time is it? It's 2:25 in the afternoon. And of course we're using the built-in telescopic antenna, but we're going to try anyway. Turn the volume up. And we're at the top of the band. We'll go all the way to the top. That's, whoa, we heard something. I heard something there for a second. About 12 megahertz. Something trying to come through. Besides the noise. That's the lights. I'm tuning pretty fast. No, bad time of day for shortwave. And of course, we all know that these built-in antennas for shortwave are way too short. So you need to clip on an external antenna. I could do that in a few minutes, but again, it's a bad time of day, so I don't know if we'll receive anything. Very good condition. Few little scratches here, that's all. Plastic's not broken anywhere. Telescopic antenna is very good shape. Excellent shape. Got to be careful. What I do is I start pushing the antenna down with the thickest links first. I don't grab the top, and then at the very end I push the top down. That's the way you put down a telescopic antenna without breaking it. So that's it. Again, thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. This is the case that's in very good condition. And like I say, if I took this outside in the evening and added like a 20-foot wire, I'd be able to receive things on shortwave, I'm sure. That's it. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.